Blanchon, it's a varnish and painting company, and they just decreased the raw material by 15%. So it's you see this curve, and company, and they just decreased the raw material by 15%. Information and this is the little slow. When you decrease the whip, the flow is just accelerating. It's like in the in the queue, when there is less queue in front of your coffee machine, it goes faster.
Exactly. Less traffic jams.
Less
More
traffic
flow.
jam. Exactly. That's exactly the same ideas.